Hello and welcome to Add-on. So today we have this question. A step index fiber in air has a numerical aperture of 0.16, core refractive index of 1.45 and core radius of 3 micrometers. So we need to calculate the V parameter for the fiber at operating wavelength of 0.9 micrometers. So what is V parameter? So think of V parameter as a guide to understanding how many light modes can propagate in the fiber. If the V parameter is too low, only a single mode can propagate, like that. So let's first list down the values we are given. So we are given the numerical aperture given by NA is 0.16. Then we have the radius of the core, which we will write as A equals to 3 micrometers. And then we have wavelength lambda equals to 0.9 micrometer. Now the formula for calculating the V parameter is given by V equals to 2 pi A divided by lambda and multiplied by the numerical aperture. So we already have all the values we are required to calculate the V parameter. So we will simply plug in the values. So V equals to 2 into pi, which is 3.14. A is given as 3 micrometers divided by 0.9 micrometers. We don't need to convert as both of them are in micrometers. Right. Multiplied by 0.16, which is the numerical aperture. So after calculating this part, we have V equals to 20.94 multiplied by 0.16, which is the numerical aperture. Now we have, by simply calculating, the V parameter equals to 3.35. So the V parameter for this given fiber, is 3.35. This means the fiber can support around 3 modes at this given wavelength, which is 0.9 micrometers. Now, why is this V parameter important in fiber optics? Well, if the V parameter is less than 2.405, the fiber operates in single mode. So if V parameter less than 2.405, it will operate in single mode. But if the V parameter is greater than 2.5, the fiber becomes multi-mode. Multi-mode means it allows multiple light paths, which can lead to modal depression over long distances. But it is useful for short distance applications. And if it is single mode, it allows only one light path. And this is essential for long distance communication with minimal distortion. So we have understand what is V parameter, and using this formula we can calculate the V parameter for any given set of problem. Thank you for watching.